Biafrans cook the food. When it comes in terms of sharing, they keep us aside and take all. We can no longer move freely in our own lands. This is total slavery and captivity. United Nations, start judging this case and help us renew Biafra. Do not wait to see several genocide. Prevention is better than cure. Those interested in modern day slavery, stroke human rights, arise and start talking now. This is the area of your jurisdiction.